Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set the sale price on Shopify product with multiple variants. So I have created a test product in my development store, and this works for any store. If you have any plan, basic plan, advanced plan, or plus plan, it works the same way. So there is no difference. So just click on the product, and as you can see, it has the three variants. Just we scroll to the bottom and it has three sizes: small, medium, large. So what you have to do, you just have to click on this variant. Okay, so sml, you can click on any variant, and the editing for the other variants will be very easy. So you just have to click on this variant, and it will open up a window. Okay, and we just scroll down, and there is the original price, and this is compare ad price. So to add a sale for the product, you have to add a lower price, and the compare ad price should be higher. Okay, so then the product would be on sale. So currently I'm using the currency PKR, and the price is 1200 rupees. So for example, if I want to sell it, if I want to add a sale on this product, I will add the price 1000 rupees, and the compare at price would be 1200. Okay, so this is just, I have to click on save, and if I want to do it for other variants, I have to just select those variant. And for example, for the medium one, I want to add a different sale price. It is also possible. So for example, 900, and then this is 1200. Okay, and for the third variant, let's make it the same price as the small variant. So just for the testing, so that you can have an idea how it actually works. So like 1000 and then 1200, just click on save. That's it, that is done. This is how you can add the sale price. And if you want to remove the sale, the process is similar. You just have to delete the compared price and add the original price. That's it. Okay, so let's go back and check if it is working fine or not. Just click on preview. Okay, so once the preview has been open, as you can see, this is the on sale. The sale tag has been, the sale badge has been automatically added. If I click on medium, and if the sale price is different, the original price is different, and if I click on large, it has the same price as the small variant. Okay, so this is how you can add the products on sale, and you can do it differently for each variant. Thank you very much, and I hope the things are clear for you. And to remove the variant, remove the sale, as I discussed before, the process is similar. You just have to remove the compare at price.